This is the SpaceAid 4-pack bedsheet organizer in gray. This is one box already, and we got 3 more. They're super easy to use. I'll show you how to use them. I love that they have Velcro to hold them together. You also got a little window so you can see your bedsheet, and then you got your label right there because it does come with labels, so you can put your labels and you know what you have in here. So here's one of them. The way this works is super easy. You open this up, and then inside right here, this is where you put your bedsheet. Fold them up first, and then you just put this on top, and you got the zipper, which makes it super easy because we all know how hard it is to fold up and pack away our bed sheets, right? So put the zipper on, slide in the zipper like this, and zip it up like so. This flap right here that velcros on, then you have the flap on this side that velcros on, and now you have your bed sheet packed away again with the little window and label. So that's number 2. Super easy, right? Again, open this up, and you have the place inside for your bed sheet right here. Then go ahead and put this on top, and you got the zipper. Zip up your bed sheet like so. Boom. Of course, once you have the bed sheet inside, it holds the form better, right? And then you have this flap over here, and then you got this flap on this side, and now you got your other one right here. Last one here, super easy. Again, put your bed sheet in here, zip it up, and then you can close the flap here with the Velcro over here, Velcro, and close. There we go. That's our 4-pack SpaceAid bed sheet organizer. Oh yeah.